When I was a young boy, I had always wondered, where do planes go? It was my childhood dream to explore the world. During most of my life as a working adult, I have worked endlessly. I had to provide for my family and pay the bills. We didn't have much money, so traveling was not an option. Since then, I had already retired. My children's are already independent adults, and I have all the time in the world. However, I felt like it's already too late for me to travel until I heard about Ambience tour.